a rectangle. Then on the top we'll be adding design. This is a simple design. And we'll add the door with two parallel lines and a curve on the top connecting them. Next, to this side we'll put two towers and we'll connect with the bottom. On the top these are nothing but rectangles with this stamp. We'll put window similar to the way we drew the door. Then we'll add a cone on the either side. And after this we'll be adding another tower. Draw two parallel lines and add two more windows, and we'll put a triangle on the top. Add another window the same way. We'll draw one more rectangle, add design, and that's how you draw a fort. Are you using purple color to color this? You can use whichever color of your choice.